Jasmine's baby girl was due soon, and she had such a big problem. She had no idea what to name her as she read up on different Igbo Nigerian names online. Her ancestors had already visited her in her dreams to reveal several Igbo Nigerian names to her. For the past several nights, her dreams were filled with the most vibrant and beautiful visions of the cultural blessings that she would be able to manifest into her daughter's life. She tossed and turned that night in bed. She was so excited to see her ancestors again that she could barely fall asleep. But then she finally dozed off, and her ancestors came to her in another dream.